In Deepser, roles are an important component in the visibility management. The roles allow you to manage the visibility of the modules accessible to user accounts, for example, the password, the CRM, etc., or even which users can access the Deepser backend and which can only access the user portal. To create a role in Deepser, you'll have to go to the System, Permissions, and then Roles. At this point in the screen that will open, you'll have to click on the Add New Role. On the next screen, you can set the role name field, which will define the name that will have the new role. In the Type field, it will be possible to define the type that will have this role. Then moving to the Role Resources tab, you can define which resources will be visible to the user to whom this role will be assigned by configuring the Resources Access field to Custom and selecting the resources you want to expose to this role. If you want to set the role to have no visibility limitations, you can opt to select from the drop-down menu the item All instead of Custom. In this way, no visibility limitations will be applied on the role. However, this will not affect the visibility configured for the groups. Now click on Apply, and once the role has been created, a third item will appear in the list of the tabs, the role users. Using this tab, you can assign this role to a specific user by checking the box and afterwards applying the changes. In order to delete the role, you'll have to firstly unassign it from the user it has been assigned to, and then simply delete it. This was it for the roles. See you in the next video. Goodbye.